Unlock the secret to making her desperately miss you. Master these dark psychology tactics now. Want to make her miss you like never before? These dark psychology tactics will have her longing for your presence. Don't always be on her line. Constantly texting or calling her will only diminish your value in her eyes. When you're always available, she has no chance to miss you. The human brain craves what isn't readily available. By giving her space and not responding instantly to every message, you create an air of mystery and curiosity. Make her wonder what you're up to and why you're not always at her beck and call. Ignite the flames of jealousy. Jealousy can be a powerful tool when used strategically. It's not about manipulation, but about subtly sparking feelings of desire and envy. Showcase your dynamic social life, share photos of outings with friends, or mention fun experiences without overdoing it. When she sees others enjoying your company, it will trigger her fear of missing out and make her realize what she's losing. Cultivate an air of mystery. Keep her guessing by maintaining a sense of mystery. If you're too transparent, the attraction fades. Instead, reveal yourself in layers, share just enough to keep her interested, but hold back a bit. When she doesn't know everything about you, it creates an enigma she's eager to solve, making her think about you even more when you're not around. Be charismatic and confident. Confidence and charisma are magnetic traits that draw women in and make them miss you when you're not around. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and exuding a positive aura. Charisma isn't about dominating a room, it's about making others feel valued and leaving a lasting, positive impression. When you interact with her, ensure she leaves the conversation wanting more of your presence and energy. Don't give in to attention bait. If she sends a casual text or an emoji, don't rush to respond. Quick replies lower your perceived value. Instead, take your time and let her put in the effort to get your attention. By doing so, you create a dynamic where she feels the need to work harder to keep you interested, increasing her desire for your attention. Make her want to know more. Every interaction should leave her looking forward to the next one. The key is quality over quantity. Talk less and listen more. When you end conversations on a high note, leaving her wanting more, she'll be eager to reconnect. This tactic ensures she associates you with positive experiences and keeps you on her mind. Show your true self. Demonstrate that your life is fulfilling and exciting even without her. When you have your own passions, hobbies, and goals, you become more attractive and intriguing. A woman who sees you thriving independently will want to be part of your world. Focus on your personal fulfillment, and she'll naturally be drawn to you, realizing what she's missing out on. A man is superior when he believes and takes action. Your confidence in overcoming challenges is a huge draw. When you believe in yourself and take decisive actions, it shows strength and leadership, qualities women find irresistible. Let your actions speak louder than words, and she'll be drawn to your inner power. If you're ready to master these dark psychology tactics and make her desperately miss you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a strategy that could change your life.